Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of polynomial functions. As per the problem, determine the remainder r so that each statement is true. We are given these three equations and we have to find the value of r in each of these equations. So let's start with part A. We have to find the value of r by isolating r in the equation. The first step is to distribute the terms in the parentheses. We should use FOIL method. Two x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. Negative 3 times 3x is negative 9x. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Next, we can combine like terms on the left side of this equation. 8x and negative 9x are like terms. 8 minus 9 is equal to negative 1. So we get negative 1x or just negative x. Next, we can combine the x square terms on both sides of this equation by subtracting 6x squared from both sides. We can also combine the x terms by adding x to both sides. The x square terms will get cancelled out and the x terms will get cancelled out. We are left with we can isolate r by adding 12 to both sides. I get r equals 27. So this should be the final answer for part A. Now we can answer part B. We have to find the value of r in the equation. So the first step is to distribute the terms in the parentheses. X times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 3x is minus 3x squared. X times 4 is 4x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative 3x is negative 6x. 2 times 4 is 8. Next, we can combine the like terms on the left side of the equation. Negative 3x squared and 2x squared are like terms. Negative 3 plus 2 is equal to negative 1. So we get just minus x squared. 4x and negative 6x are like terms. We get negative 2x. Next, we can combine the like terms. We can subtract x cubed from both sides. We can add x squared to both sides. We can add 2x to both sides. The x cube terms get cancelled out. X square terms get cancelled out. And x terms get cancelled out. So we are left with we can isolate r by subtracting 8 from both sides. I get r equals -9. This should be the final answer for part B. Now we can answer part C. We have to find the value of r, so we'll start by distributing the terms in the parentheses on the left side of the equation. X times 2x square is 2x cubed. X times 3x is 3x square. X times -1 is minus x. -4 times 2x square is -8x square. -4 times 3x is -12x. -4 times -1 is +4. Next, we can combine like terms on the left side of this equation. 3x squared and -8x squared are like terms. We get -5x squared. -x and -12x are like terms. We get -13x. Now we can combine the like terms on both sides of the equation. We can combine the x cube terms by subtracting 2x cubed from both sides. We can combine the x square terms by adding 5x squared to both sides. We can combine the x terms by adding 13x to both sides. The x cube terms get cancelled out. The x square terms get cancelled out. And the x terms get cancelled out. We are left with we can isolate r by subtracting 4 from both sides. I get r equals -2. So this should be the value of r for the equation in part C. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.